Good morning mga kabuchi! Welcome to our channel. So this time mga kabuchi, we will have our basil chicken update. So, this area is supposed to be my vegetable garden mga kabuchi, but then I feel that the soil is no longer fertile, and then I need also, and at the same time I need a bigger area for my basil chicken mga kabuchi because they're growing big, and the cleaning of their small pen, chicken pen is very tedious mga kabuchi. And their poo is very big, so it's a challenge for them to clean only once a week mga kabuchi because it will actually smell. Silent, silent. Shh. Hello, uy. They don't like me mga kabuchi. The chicken her don't like me. So I end up using my assigning my giving my vegetable garden space to itlog to my basil chicken. So here they are mga kabuchi, my basil chicken. So what happened is that in return mga kabuchi, they will damage my garden, but I believe even though they are damaging this area mga kabuchi, they were fertilizing this area at the same time. So I think it's okay. But then our vegetable garden slowly turned into lime and ginger garden. So it's the ginger here that experience the destruction mga kabuchi. And then if you notice mga kabuchi, we only have few leaves here. And then the leaves are actually falling. And then the plant is like leaning to this direction instead of standing up mga kabuchi. So it's a sign. Naku, adyo din yung itlog ay. It's a sign that this plant is being damaged. Of course, unsa na siya? The only suspect are these frizzled chicken. So what we did mga kabuchi is we put a temporary fence over here, but it's not effective. So right now, ang binugok itlog ninyo, oy! So right now we are circling them with temporary fence mga kabuchi. It's temporary because the palm of the coconut mga kabuchi are not actually stronger mga kabuchi. So it will only last for a month or a few months, and then it will decay mga kabuchi. But once it will decay mga kabuchi, so it will turn into soil fertilizer. And then also in this area mga kabuchi, look at this lime mga kabuchi, oh. So they're having fruits na mga kabuchi, even though I stopped them from bearing fruits, but they still bear some fruits mga kabuchi. So here they are mga kabuchi, around the coconut palm turned into stick mga kabuchi. And then we have also there, the one there, over there, and also there. So I hope that you, Brazil chicken, will just move around this fence and will no longer destroy or whatever to our plants. So what happened to this one? I want this to stand up, but it's not standing up. Ay nako, it's not standing up mga kabuchi. So our next plan mga kabuchi, is also to strengthen back this garden edge mga kabuchi. So the garden edge here destroyed by the chicken, but we try to recover the garden edge here. And then the next thing to do is to dump. We will dump dried leaves. We will dump some dried leaves mga kabuchi. That will be our next project. So this area here around is already ready for dumping some dried leaves mga kabuchi. So my preserved chicken, oh see, they are just walking around the oy, oy, look at that mga kabuchi. They're trying to pick on my temporary fence, but I think they are okay. Come here, chicken. I'm not gonna catch you. I'll just take a video of you. Okay, good. Okay, good, 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 good. And the other chicken here. So let's get out mga kabuchi and inform my niece mga kabuchi that the eggs on his chicken fence is rotten. Wa na piso na binugok man. Nimaho lang mo da. Okay, so this should be the end of our video. But let's tease our chicken for a little while. So manini siya ang frizzled chicken. Rattled because they don't want me to touch them. But here they are mga kabuchi. Frizzle mga chicken. Chicken na frizzle. Agoy, kulbaan. Agoy, mulayat. Di sila kalayat mga kabuchi. Rattle na. Rattle na. This one mga kabuchi is a bit tamer man. Di ka kalusok yaw. Look, ayaw. Okay, end of the video. Thank you for watching.